Hey everybody, we're in a 2012 Mazda 3 and we're going to try to add a key using the keytoolplus. Not any luck with Fords with this thing as of yet, but we will try to do this Mazda, which is basically a Ford. We've got emo light flashing here, so we know it's not programmed. And we'll go into emo programming with M. See here, Mazda, select by region. We are in the US of A here. And this is a Mazda 3. Oops, wrong button there. Sorry guys, it's a key system. 2012. Okay, so we'll start programming here to load us into our database and see if it'll read the number of keys. So there's 2 keys currently. We just want to add a key. Okay, ignition is on. Communicating. Insert the wanted matching remote. It's okay, I mean we're doing a key, but whatever. Operation succeeded. Current number of keys 3. Don't want to match any more keys. Okay, emo light went out. So that's a good sign that it maybe actually took it. And we'll see if this baby fires up here. It may not. I'm at a auction here, so who knows what's up with these cars. Oh yeah, I got to start. And emo light's out. Awesome. So there's a key, the keytoolplus here, adding a key to a 2012 Mazda 3. And if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. I try to respond to just about everything. And that's all I got on this one, guys. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.